In this video, I will tell you how you can get 8 hours of screen on time on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE or Samsung Galaxy S23. Usually, Samsung S23 have a very bad battery backup. Mostly user get 4 hour or 5 hour of screen on time. But believe me guys, I will tell you some unique tips that nobody has told you before. After following my tips, you will definitely get 8 hours of screen on time on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE or S23. Okay, let me show you first. This is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE I'm using. And guys, if you have Samsung Galaxy S23 FE or S23, then do subscribe to my channel because I will be uploading a lot of videos regarding this phones. Okay, because this is my primary phone. So if there is any new update, software update, or any issues, I will be definitely making videos on this. Okay, now let me tell you how you can also get 8 hours of screen on time on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. First, let me give you some basic tips which lot of you guys may know, but still a reminder because they save lot of battery. Okay. After that, I will tell you some unique tips which I personally use to get 8 hours of screen on time on my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. Obviously, first just turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you're not using. I always turn off Bluetooth or Wi-Fi if I am not using because these two drain lot of battery. Another thing, simple thing is just turn this on. Okay, adaptive brightness, turn this on because this will also improve your battery backup. Now let's move into some technical tips to improve your battery backup. First, go to settings and scroll down. You will see an option called connection. Click on connection and scroll down. You will see an option called more connection settings. In default, this is turned on. You just have to turn this off because if this is turned on, this keeps scanning nearby device. So it will definitely drain your battery. So turn this off. Okay. Now let me give you a unique tip which I think nobody talks about, but this I always use and it has improved my battery. Okay, so guys, you may get lot of notification just like me. You can see thousand of notification. So whenever there is a new notification, the phone vibrate, the phone screen turns on, the phone rings. So it will definitely drain your battery. So guys, what you have to do is to turn off unnecessary apps notification. Okay, so for example, I don't want notification from Amazon. Just what you have to do is just press this for a few seconds and turn this off. Okay, you won't get notification from Amazon. It's like Amazon, there are a lot of apps who keep sending you notification, and obviously your phone gets ring, its lights on and vibrate, though definitely your battery will be drained. So turn notification off for unnecessary apps. Okay, this will also improve your battery backup. So another trick to improve your screen on time is just go to settings and scroll down until you see an option called display. Click on display, then click on motion smoothness. Okay, in default you will find this option adaptive. You have to select standard, then click on apply. Definitely this will lower your refresh rate, but if you're okay with this, this will improve your battery backup. This will give you at least like 30 minutes of extra screen on time. Believe me, you will get 30 minutes of extra screen on time if you change these settings. Okay, another trick which will definitely improve your battery backup is on settings just below display. You will find an option called battery. Click on battery and you will find an option called background usage limits. You have to click over here, then turn this on. So if you turn these settings on, basically what happen is if there is an app running on a background and if you are not using that app, this will automatically close that app. Okay, obviously lot of app will run on background, definitely battery will be drained. So this will help you if you turn the settings on, or the apps which you are not using and it's running on background, this will turn that apps turn off. Okay, so this will save your battery. Now again, I will give you a unique tip which I think nobody talks about, but this is my personal experience and it has worked for me. I think Samsung official launcher, One UI launcher, drains battery a lot. That's why I always use third-party launcher. Not any launcher. I will suggest you some launcher. You can use that. Currently, I'm using a launcher. Let me show you which launcher I'm using. Okay, I'm using a launcher called Nova Launcher. Okay, so this is my default launcher. So I applied One UI launcher just to show you guys. So this is my launcher. You can see it's very smooth. I think you can also use a third-party launcher, launcher like Nova Launcher or Launcher, which are very light. So if you will use third-party launcher like Nova or Launcher, this light launcher, it will definitely improve your battery. This is my personal experience, so I'm just sharing you these tips to you guys, so maybe this will help you also. Okay, So this was also a unique tip. I think nobody told you about this. So one more setting which drain your phone battery a lot is obviously always on display. I think this feature is overrated. I never use this feature. Just go to settings and lock screen and AOD, then turn this settings off. Okay, if this setting is on, just turn this off. Okay, what it will do is, obviously, if you turn this on in lock screen, you will get this kind of notification, obviously. So this is useless, guys. If you turn this off, you will get like around like I think 20 minutes of extra screen on time. So you can turn this off. One more thing, guys, turn location off. If you're not using location, just turn location off, because location also drains battery a lot. Bonus tips which I want to share with you guys is it's up to you. Just go to settings and go to connections and click on mobile network. So guys, if in your area the 5G network is not that strong, you can turn off 5G network, because 5G network, guys, use drain lot of battery. Compared to 4G, 5G drain lot of battery. So if in your area 5G network is not that strong and it's regularly switching to 4G, then why not just use 4G, because 5G and 4G are not that different, I think. So just click on network and select like LTE 3G. Select this one. This will from 5G to switch to like 4G, and it will give you more battery backup, but obviously you will get lesser speed on your internet. So it's up to you. Okay. And guys, now one last tips which I want to give you is, this is also very important. Just go to settings and over search bar, just click on just type battery protection. Okay, click on that, turn this on. You turn this setting on default the setting is set to basic, but you just change into adaptive. Okay, so after changing this setting, obviously this setting won't increase your current screen on time, but it will definitely help your battery to live longer. Okay, so guys, these are the tips and tricks I personally use to get more screen on time on my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. As you can see, I getting around 7 hour and 26 minutes, which is great for Samsung S23 FE. Okay, guys, because lot of users who are getting like 4 hour or 5 hour of screen on time. So guys, if you follow the tips which I just told you in this video, then you will also get a very good screen on time. Okay. So guys, if this video was helpful, please give a like. And if you have Samsung S23 FE or any Android phones, do subscribe to my channel and help your brother to reach at least 1K subs. Okay. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye.